Hello everyone, this is Anita Ahuja from Pioneer Career. I welcome you all in the Python tutorial. And in this tutorial we will discuss about Matplotlib and PyPlot library. In PyPlot library we can create many kinds of chart. So first we will discuss about line chart. In previous video also I shared some ideas how we can create a simple line chart with the help of PyPlot library. So let's move forward. Let's see what are the functions we can use to draw the line chart from the PyPlot library. So these are the function of PyPlot library, and first function is a plot function. Plot function is used to plot data on chart. Second is show function, that is used to display output in a chart window. As to display the output in a text form, we are using the print method. Print function we use. Same, to display the chart we have to use show method. Next is a title method. Method and function, whatever the term you are familiar, you can use. So third function is a title function used to display the title of chart. Fourth function is legend function used to display label of line defined as argument in plot function. I hope you remember in previous video I have shared the idea when we want to define the label for our line, we have to pass that string as the argument in a plot function. So in a plot function we are passing the argument label having the value kind of string, that is we want to define the label for our line. Okay, but it will not be displayed till we are not using the legend function. So the label has been defined in a plot function as an argument that we want to display, so we have to use legend method. Next is a x label function used to display the label on x-axis, and y label function is used to display the label on y-axis. Okay, so these are basic functions of PyPlot library used to create the line chart, and we used all these functions to create the line chart. In a last video I have shown what is the way to use all these functions. So let's move forward. Today we will discuss about the arguments of plot function. So arguments of plot method, these are the basic argument of plot function. Data 1 and data 2. Data 1, data 2 are our variables, okay, containing the values. It can be data 1, data 2 can be list variable, it can be an array variable, it can be a data frame. So whichever type of variable you want to use here, you can use. So how we can pass this argument in a plot method? It's very simple. Last video also I shared, to call the method we are using the alias name plt dot plot, whatever alias name you are defining. Okay, this is just an example. So when we are calling the plot method, in that we are passing two argument, that is data 1 comma data 2. In last program we used two variables x and y. Along with that two argument, another argument we have used, that is label. I hope you remember here label argument having a string value, and this is going to be a label of our line. Okay, three types of label we can define: label for x axis, label for y axis, and label for line. Okay, so when we want to define the label for our line, so like this we are using label for line. So India, this string will be a label for my line that will be drawn on the x comma y positions. Okay, so let's move forward. These are the basic argument for the plot function. Some more arguments are there for the plot function we can use. These are the line color, line style, and marker. By default line color will be black. If we are not defining any color for the line, so default color is black. Line style, default line style is solid. So let's move forward and we will discuss one by one. This is how we can change the line color. So we can use any of the character or complete spelling of the color. You can specify colors in many ways, okay, including full name or the first character or any hex string also. Okay, so here are the example. Like I have used plt.plot x comma y r. I can go for character also. So because of this argument, the line color will be red, and I can type the complete color name also red. Okay, so it's up to us, and we can go for hex string also. This is the line color. Now next is line style, and default line style is solid. If we are not passing any argument to specify the line style will be solid. We can change the line style by passing the line style argument, or you can type short as ls. So line style or ls, what the values can be? Either solid, dashed, dash dot and dotted. Do remember, Python is a case sensitive, so you give the value in a small case only. So here is the example. Like I used the plot method and two arguments x comma y. These are my data. Then comma b. B means I am asking for the blue color. Okay. Then line style equals to dashed. So this is the output. I am just showing the line style in that. Okay. So you can specify line style equals to dashed, line style equals to dash dot, or line style equals to dotted. So according your style you will get the output. Move to next slide. Third argument is a marker. Okay, so what is the marker? Marker is a data points being plotted are called marker. That means whatever the data point, okay, you are marking over the chart, that data point if you want to highlight, so we can use the marker argument. So in this chart our output is very clear. The data points are showing in a circle pattern. Okay, so marker type is here O. That means marker type is circle. If you want to change this marker type, we can pass different types of value. Even marker size also we can define. We want to show small points, we want to show the bold points, we want to make the big data points. So you can increase or decrease the size of your marker even. And the third argument of this marker edge color, that means you can go for the different line color and different marker edge color also. So see, marker type, if we will use as an argument marker type is equal to dot, so it will give you the point, comma, if you will give the O, it will create the circle. Okay, same, you can go for the star sign, plus, X, whatever the shape you want to show. Even triangle also you can go. If you are typing 1, so triangle down, 2 triangle up, 3 triangle left, and 4 for triangle right. Even you can use these symbol also. And D, capital D for diamond shape and small d for thin diamond. Okay, so these are the value for our marker type arguments. Let's see the example. This is the example. plt.plot x comma y b. I am asking for the blue color of line. Okay, marker equals to D, that means marker. You can type marker type or a marker. Okay, so up to you. We are talking about the marker type argument. You can type complete marker type or marker. Marker equals to D, that means I am asking the diamond shape marker. Marker size will be 5 and marker edge color is red. Okay, I hope it is clear. So let's see in a Python ideally. So let's start Python ideally. Here I am starting a new file, and you know very well what is the first line. First line is a import. We have to import matplotlib matplotlib library, and from that we want to import pyplot as plt. So I'm using alias again. It will reduce the typing only, otherwise every time you have to type pyplot complete spelling. Now we have to declare and assign the value to the variables, because in a Python we are not declaring variables separately. In a same line, variable declaration along with values. So I'm declaring my toList variable. X will show the over 5, 10, 15 and 20. Another variable is y. Y is equal to, suppose in a 5 over my score run 20, then suppose 40, 80, 150. Okay. Now it's time to call the plot method with the help of alias. Plt dot plot. Plt dot plot, and here I will pass argument x comma y. Now I'll ask for the line color. Let's go for the blue. Then I'm using line style. Line style is equal to, I'm asking dash dot. Okay, line style is dash dot and color will be blue. Here it's over. One by one we will check the arguments. More functions if you want to use, we can use, like plt dot title, and here I want to specify title scores or a score. Another method plt dot x label, and here I want to show over. Then plt dot y label, and here are my run. Another method, we did not pass a label for our line, so let's create a label here also, comma label is equal to only India. So this label, how it will be shown? When we will use the legend method. Okay. Now last method is left, that is show method. Here my program over. Let's save our file. PLT 6. Okay. Now let's run the program. Yeah, here is the output, and you see the line color is blue, and dash dot is a line style. See, this line is indicating the run or score of India. So this is our label. This label argument we passed in a plot method, but how it has been displayed? Because of legend method. Score, this is score, how it is coming? Because of title method. This is x label argument, and this is y label argument. Okay, let's make some changes in our program. And yeah, this is our program. So I'm going to use here R, and here the line style. Okay, line style solid. Okay, I did not change anything. Line style solid and line color R. One more I want to use here. Suppose I'm just removing the legend. This also I'm removing. Okay. Now it's not compulsory to remove, just to reduce the complexity of the program, I'm using marker. So here I can type marker type is equal to, or just I can type marker is equal to. Okay, marker is equal to, I want D, that means diamond shape marker. Then marker size, I'm typing marker size 5. Okay, then another comma is compulsory between the each argument. Then marker age color, because my line color is this time red. Okay, so I am asking for the marker age color is equal to, I'm going for let's go for blue. Okay, blue, and my function completed. So all three arguments I am using directly here. Marker in a diamond shape, size will be 5. Marker age color is blue. This time I ask the line style solid. We can go for the dotted even. Okay, so let's check. I'm saving my file. It's already was saved, so no need to define the name again. And let's run the program. Invalid syntax. Okay, 2 time. Okay. Now save again and execute. So here is the output. You see the line color is red. Okay, line is solid. Okay, marker type we asked for the diamond, this is diamond, and marker age color we asked blue. Okay, let's make few changes in that values. Marker here I am using 1. Let's see what will come with a 1. Or okay, I am not using any another shape, because let's work with the size. I am typing here 10. Okay, and marker age color is blue only. Or let's save the file, then execute. Only size we change. Okay, see the size of marker. Okay, so size of marker, it's completely up to you. Let's check 50. Save again and execute. Okay, so size is like a font size. How much bold or a broad marker you want to show, you can go with that. Now shape, let's check the shape with a 1, what is coming. Save and execute. Okay, 1 is a kind of triangle. Okay, another value I'm using star, and I'm increasing size also, that is 15. So marker shape will be very clear for us. Let's save the program, execute the program. See the star size, it's very clear. Okay, so by passing the different values in a marker argument, you can check your output. I hope it is clear to you. If any doubt, you can contact me. You can type your doubt in comments, and surely I'll reply. And okay, so today we learned about the arguments in a plot function. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. Have a nice day.